Hello everyone, it's my face here being Queen Bee, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, how are you doing? Make sure you subscribe, like and comment this video. So today I'm going to do my morning routine, and believe me guys, if I tell you that this morning routine helped my skin so much. I don't know why I was so scared to start a new skincare routine, but let me tell you, this changed my life a whole lot to another level. So, the first things first, I gotta brush my teeth. I can't do anything with my mouth stinking. Oh, I said that, okay. So the major ingredients in this video is going to be ice cubes or ice, and change of water, and thirdly hyaluronic acid. So first things first, if you change your water from fresh water to borehole or salty or hard water, and you might not have had like skin problems, or you might not have had skin issues, or you had but they were at bay, then all of a sudden that started. Baby, I know, I've been there. That is what has been happening, and for a long time I've been struggling with acne and dark spots. I haven't still gotten what I should do with dark spots, but with acne, honey boo, I am getting that at bay. So first things first, I'm going to wash my face with simple, this is the best and very affordable face wash I've ever had in my entire life. Then I'm gonna use gloves. I don't use water directly on my face. I use a face towel to just remove the water. Then I take that ice and just put it on my face. If you want to know what ice does for your skin, I'm going to put it down in the description box below. So you go down in the description box below and read it, and you can add whatever you want, like tomato pulp, aloe vera juice, cucumber juice in an ice tray, and to just give your skin that extra dose of ingredients, of nutrients, So for me, I'm going to go with clean water. So this is purified water. So I literally just buy purified water for drinking and for my face, literally. So for toner, I'm going to use simple. This toner has been a game changer. Let me just be frank with you. I'm always using rose water, but when I changed to this toner, honey, my skin loved it. So before we even go far, I'm a combination of dry and oily skin. I thought it was because I was dehydrated, but it is genetic, so there's nothing I can do about it. So I can just, try to help myself combat it. Then I'm going to go in with hyaluronic acid, and I'm going to use Revitalift. I am still out here trying to see if this works for a long time, because there's always build-up of products on your skin. So I am using this hyaluronic. This is my third week, and baby, I am loving it. Don't mind about all those pimples you're seeing. I ate eggs, and honey, my face or my skin does not tolerate eggs, and I don't know why I still. So this is L'Oreal Triple Active Moisturizer for Day. It has SPF of I think 15, and this moisturizer is just holy grail. Leave alone the hyaluronic acid, like that is a holy grail. Mix it with bio oil, like it is just holy grail. I told you that the main ingredients are going to be hyaluronic acid, water change, and ice. But I just gotta give it credit. Like anything that changed my skin, I have to give it credit. So I always wear my sunscreen before I wear my moisturizer. I don't know what happened today, but I have to do what I have to do. We welcome change. And this is a spray sunscreen. And the reason why I love wearing it before moisturizers is because sunscreen are too oily and it leaves your skin so shining. You're going to see that in a second. So what you just do with this spray is spray it on your palm, then let it just let the scent fade, because this thing has a strong scent. Like the scent is so strong. So if you have this, make sure that you let the scent go, unless you want to, wake up your sinuses. Yeah, so it is morning, and I love my face being awake and all that, and I love strong coffee. I never liked coffee before because it gave me anxiety and I couldn't sleep, and my energy was everywhere, my emotions was everywhere. But right now I know how to control that, and I have become a fan of a very strong coffee. Okay, baby. So yes, so I'm gonna do some coffee, and I'm just gonna leave you guys at this point because I have talked a lot, because I have a lot to share with you guys. I'm just gonna leave it at this point, and when I do my nighttime routine, I am going to explain much more about the eyes. But if not even about the eyes, if you want to know more about the eyes, make sure you go down in the description below and read much more about the eyes, and see if that is something that you'll incorporate in your skincare regime. But for me, I have done it, I have seen it work before, and I will continue doing it. I am intending to add a cucumber into that, because I don't know where I can get aloe vera. But until this point, thank you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and I'm see you in my next video.